Hi Mario. Here the step for start your truck. It's very important. Step 1. Here under the passenger seat, the first master switch is on. Step 2. Turn the twin master switch on. Step 3, on the alternator switch. Step 4, turn on the light, lock here and on the right for the light, and for the start. Turn off the light, turn off the twin master switch, turn off the alternator, and return off the other master switch under the passenger. If the truck doesn't start, because probably the batteries are slow or low, remove the seat. It's very easy. Twin switch here, and here it is, the battery box for boost. Only one battery, not two. If you spark anywhere or you're wrong born, it's dangerous for explode the solenoid in this twin alternator. That's it.